5 strategies to enjoy your free time. Free time is good for the soul. Your best opportunity to recharge your emotional batteries is to take advantage of those precious non-work hours. Depending on how you spend it, free time allows you to truly express who you are and who you strive to be. You'll feel at peace and content with your life when you begin to utilize non-work time doing the activities you love. Try these tips on how to use your free time to your best advantage. Ask yourself, what do I really long to do? Make a list. Include simple and complex projects and activities you've always wanted to do. Your list might have items on it like, do yoga 3 times a week, or watch those DVDs I bought 6 months ago, or read at least 1 novel a month, or spend 2 hours making a scrapbook from last year's vacation photos. What makes your heart sing? Take a look at your calendar. It's good to get a visual of how much free time you have in a given week. It can be exhilarating to realize you have 20 hours of free time each week. When does most of your free time occur? In the evenings from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., or only on the weekends or both? If you use a paper calendar, highlight the time blocks when your free time will happen in the coming week. You'll feel a little excited and happy when you do this step. It just feels great to know you've got some me time coming. Plan desired activities by writing them into your schedule. It might be unusual for you to consider using your calendar to schedule free time. However, if it's written in the calendar, you're more likely to follow through. For example, you might reserve 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday to read a novel. From 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. you could schedule work on vacation scrapbook. From 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., maybe it's call my sister in TN. It's not necessary to schedule every unscheduled bit of time you have. However, if it's written into your schedule, it will be a great reminder for you to begin doing many of the things you long to do. You'll get focused and feel more fulfilled once you start doing the activities you choose. Gather necessary supplies for favored activities in advance. You'll be prepared to jump right in if you already have the supplies you need. Use shoe boxes or plastic bins to store supplies so everything will be at the ready when free time rolls around. Regularly update your list of desired activities. This is the wonderful thing about enjoying free time. You have free rein to change your mind and develop new, exciting interests at your whim. Life is incredibly enriching when you realize you can spend spare time taking part in activities you find stimulating, interesting, or just plain fun. To feel content and develop a real enjoyment of life, use spare moments to your best advantage. Do every single thing you desire. Enrich your life by enjoying your free time. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.